Hello! Welcome to the Coliseum! Hey Manal! Say hi! 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 With Robin, we were struggling to put her up here. Yeah, because she sat down somewhere here, and then we took the photo of this. So this is the old bridge I was talking earlier. It used to be a fish market, but when the time that the place is being run by king and queen, they don't like anything stinky.
Anything is stinky?
Yeah, like the fish market. So he said you need to turn it into a place that would shine. So the fish became gold. It's a gold market. When we will pass by. Yeah, give me, I'll take your photo. Yeah. Before Christ, this one. Before Christ. Can you see? That's before Christ.
Yeah.
Around 2,300 years. Wasn't 200.
And it's a theater. Like, the capacity is 50,000.
Where?
Yeah.
50,000?
Yeah. It's like a theater. It's like a theater.
Inside, yes. Apart from the theater, it's like the location for the gladiators.
Yeah.
If you've watched 1,000 years ago, they managed to do this structure.
Exactly. Even is this.
Did they do it manually?
Aesthetic.
How did they do it? Yeah.
Now that one was piece by piece. So the piece was made because before you make a single piece, you make piece by piece.
Amazing.
Full block of marble. So imagine it was very, very heavy to transport.
It was very exciting. But he was like,
It's just a head moving. देख रहे हैं ये पतली पतली गलियाँ और ये पतली पतली गलियों से निकल रहे हैं। बारिश हुई भी अभी देख रहे हैं हम। और क्या भैया खूब ठंडी हवाएं चल रही हैं। हाँ ये देखिए भाई, दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्लोरेंस।
Hello guys, you can see trees behind me like this.
Okay, so is it the green trees or the yellow trees?
Green trees.
Which place is this?
Italy.
Italy. And what are you doing in Italy?
Having fun.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Like what fun?
Like running with anything. And eating food or having ice cream or anything.
What did you eat in the night time? When we were in the Vatican City, what did you eat? What was it?
Ice cream.
Oh, really? Which ice cream did you eat?
Nutella.
Nutella and?
Nutella and Oreo.
Which one was nice? Oh, Nutella one or the Oreo one?
Nutella.
Okay.
I want to sit now.
Oh, really? Yeah, we are fine.
It's just
no issues there. No, fine. We are okay with that.
it's a beautiful place, not only for
Of course,
it's more for arts.
I understand. Don't take me wrong. We are
No.
fine in that. I know, like, people have different.
Of course, yeah, that's why I'm asking, because
It's totally okay.
a lot of people they will
Yeah.